In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate image by 90 right in Excel. To get started, open your Excel workbook and go to the worksheet that contains the image you want to adjust. This can be any inserted picture inside your spreadsheet. Before making changes, it helps to make sure you're on the correct sheet and that the image is easy to see on screen. Next, click on the picture you want to rotate. Once the image is selected, Excel will show picture editing options that are specifically related to that object. Selecting the image first is important because the rotation tools will only appear when a picture is actively selected. After that, go to the Picture Format tab at the top of Excel. This tab gives you access to a variety of image editing tools, including sizing, positioning, and rotation. If you don't see the tab right away, double check that the picture is still selected. Now look for the Arrange group within the Picture Format tab and click Rotate. This opens a small menu with different rotation and flipping options. These tools are useful when you want to quickly change the orientation of an image without manually dragging it. From that menu, choose Rotate Right 90 degrees. As soon as you click it, the picture will rotate 90 degrees clockwise. This is the fastest and most precise way to turn an image exactly to the right, especially if you want a clean quarter turn instead of estimating the angle yourself. Once selected, your picture is now rotated 90 degrees clockwise. If the image's new position affects nearby cells or content, you can always click and drag the picture to place it more neatly on the worksheet. There's also another way to rotate a picture if you want more control over the angle. Start by selecting the picture again. Then look for the rotation handle, which appears as a circular arrow above the image. Click and drag that handle to rotate the picture manually. As you drag, the image will turn freely, allowing you to choose the exact angle you want. This method is helpful if you don't need a perfect 90-degree turn and instead want a custom rotation. When the picture reaches the angle you want, simply release the mouse button. And that's it. You now know how to rotate an image 90 degrees to the right in Excel, and also how to rotate it manually using the rotation handle. Both methods are quick, simple, and useful depending on how precise you need the result to be.